You know, the other day, the day I had off, I actually went outside and I got myself a handheld vacuum cleaner, like a small one. Touched grass. Yeah, I did. I got a small vacuum cleaner. And I think it's like the best purchase I've made so far. Like, I am so sure that I'm not gonna have dust in my room anymore. Outdoor shoe? Yeah, on my day off, I went outside. So cleaning stream. Do y'all want to hear? A stream where it's just Is this what you want? Is this what you want? I can't even hear myself. Is this audio okay? I don't know if I want to do that on a stream. You know, if you clean a vacuum, would you become a vacuum cleaner? Isn't that a vacuum cleaner? No clue, but anyways, I don't think I want to do a cleaning stream like that. It's like, imagine just tuning into your first ever VTuber stream. You're like, wow, so all this VTuber stuff. I think today's the day. Today's the day where I introduce myself to VTubers. Yeah. All right. Who is this? Shu Yamino? Oh, it says nijisanjien. Aren't they a VTuber group? All right, let's check them out. And then you open their stream and it's just like I've seen some of y'all chatting, being like, "Hey, this is my first ever stream of watching you. I've seen your clips and everything. It's so cool that I got to see your stream live today. Yay!" And then it's just me going, like, come on. Like, I'm joking around and doing it, so it's fine, but like, if it's actually me just farting to the corner, be like, "Hey guys, welcome to my stream. I hope y'all doing good today. I'm just cleaning my room. Don't mind me. I'm just back here, just doing my stuff." Like, Taskaru? No, it's not. Stop capping. That is not Taskaru. No.